Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber and today I'm going to be trying out some new products. Recently, I've been having a lot of problems with my hair. My hair has been dry and it's been tangling very easily, which is really uncommon for me. I've tried using different products, different brushes and combs, and nothing seems to work. So today I'm going to be trying Tabitha Brown's new line called Donna's Recipe, and I'm also going to be doing the LOC method she recommends as well. This collection is packed with minerals that are geared towards promoting hair growth and thickening, along with hydrating and moisturizing hair. It is also made with natural sweet potatoes that give it a very rich, sweet smell. They have a variety of products, but I specifically grabbed these three to do the LOC method. The first product I'm applying is this sweet potato pie leave-in conditioner. I first raked it in with my fingers and then I went in with my tangle teaser. This product is on the thicker side, so not a lot of slip, but it's very creamy. I did use a generous amount as well, and although it wasn't a lot of slip, it did make my hair easier to detangle and my hair felt soft afterwards. I also would like to say it smells amazing. The smell reminds me of ginger latte from Bath & Body Works. Very warm and sweet. After applying, I just twisted my hair and did the same to the other side. The next product I'm applying is the Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Hair and Scalp Oil. This oil reduces breakage and strengthens hair as well as detangles. The consistency is like a thick shea butter, but once you rub it between your hands, it becomes an oil. Once I raked it through my hair, I could instantly see my curls being brought back to life. My hair had lots of shine and definition, and out of all the three, I will say this product was my favorite. To lock everything in, I'll be applying the Sweet Potato Extra Creamy Hair Cream. This product is a lightweight cream, but a little goes a long way. It is supposed to moisturize and soften the hair as well as define the curls, and I believe it did just that. When applying, I just raked it through my hair, and after I brushed through my hair with my tangle teaser. When styling my hair, I wanted a lot more volume, so instead of clumping the curls and finger coiling, I just simply brushed through my hair and gently shook it until it curled up. To minimize as much shrinkage as possible, I also avoided scrunching as well. Once I was done styling my hair, this is how it looked. My hair felt and looked hydrated, and my hair was actually very soft. I let it air dry, and this is how it looked when it was dry. I had tons of shrinkage, and my hair was a bit weighed down, which I expected, but overall I loved how it came out and how my hair felt. Throughout the week, my hair looked even better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.